the Blavatnik Fine Rooms are enabling us to represent the earlier parts of the collection in a way that has never been possible before. A suite of 6 galleries spanning the entire second floor of the building, they will showcase some of the greatest and most loved works from the Courtauld's collection, from the Renaissance through to the 18th century. 3 of the most prominent artistic, scientific and historical societies once had their meeting rooms on this floor: the Royal Academy, the Royal Society and the Society of Antiquaries. The architect of Somerset House, William Chambers, was a founding member of the Royal Academy and made sure its rooms on this floor were sumptuously decorated. The redeveloped Blavatnik Fine Rooms will enable the Courtauld to give a much more generous account of this important part of its collection, across rooms dedicated to the Italian Renaissance, Northern Renaissance, and 17th and 18th century Europe. A major highlight will be Botticelli's large-scale altarpiece, the Trinity with Saints, which will be unveiled after a 3-year conservation project. 2 rooms dedicated to the Courtauld's celebrated collection of works by Peter Paul Rubens will also be a significant feature of the displays. They will include some of his most famous works, such as the family of Jan Breugel the Elder and the beautifully lyrical Landscape by Moonlight. Other highlights of the spaces will include major works by Lucas Cranach, Peter Breugel, Thomas Gainsborough and Francisco de Goya. As well as paintings, the rooms will celebrate and display our collection of decorative arts, including metalwork, ceramics, and furniture. The rooms will be transformed with new lighting, new floors, and new showcases, and will provide a wonderful setting for visitors to rediscover this important collection of masterpieces.